What was it?
It's subject and verb agreement.
Right, baby? Yes! It's also subject and verb agreement. But they made it more complicated than they needed to. And yes, you heard it from baby. They made it, that just heard, but they made it more complicated than they needed to. Because they are complicated people and we live in a complicated world where the complicated people makes the complicated world more complicated. What was Dad just doing?
Oh, it's just a big fart.
What did you do? Act it out again, what you did. Ultimate Kitten YT. Talk about your bathroom schedule.
Yeah. Well, I took a crap.
And having to eat frogs. You know how much money? Guess how much money all of those four Gonna go watch a 5-minute break of Rico the Giant Sneak Thief. So in this schoolwork, there's this here ecosystem, the system of interaction between living and non-living things in an area is called an ecosystem. Ecosystems can be any size, with smaller ecosystems found inside larger ones. The dry weather, the soil, the plants, and the animals here, including myself, are components of the ecosystem is a natural area. Where living and non-living things interact. Would be charged. What are living members of an ecosystem or the community? It is their habitat, providing everything they need to live. Many different species of organisms can live in an ecosystem, but their populations vary depending on their level. So I put my answer there. Oh wait. Yeah, Mike and sure they never dance us. Alright. This has been a very confusing science. I like this part. But let's do a science for owls. Animals, like all other animals, are home to hundreds of different kinds of bacteria and microorganisms. We are walking ecosystems.
Oh. There's the pot.
What's up, guys? I'm back.
But you can't put it on the burner. Well,
Don't tell me we're using tap water.
Turn that to face the... Here. Sit on there. Turn the... No. Your camera. Put your camera up.
Oh, okay. Miscoordination.
All right, have you got it?
Yep. Oh wait, Mom's getting it.
All right, so you're gonna get the pot.
Yeah.
You're gonna put it with. I'm gonna turn the water on for you.
You don't want to use Brita?
No.
I have the Brita. Mom's getting ready to destroy me.
All right, do you know how to turn it on?
So the camera can just see me filling up the Brita very boringly.
Pay attention.
By the way, guys, this is my first time cooking, so this is gonna be a bloody murder in our kitchen.
Okay, it's not for me. Good.
The cat will end up dead. Actually, I shouldn't say that. That would be considered a threat. The cat will end up dead.
Now,
they caught it all in the shot.
Reach over.
Yeah.
You have to push the knob in a little bit.
What knob?
This knob. And turn it on to high. Push in and turn. There you go. Good.
My mom's getting out the special stuff. The trade secret. Follow the directions. My mom's a trade secret. Wait. I'm probably getting to put hair in my
You
face.
pretty much have to wait now for that to boil before you can do any more. But there's your...
Pasta. Do you guys want to see me put one pasta in the water? Just to sort of interrupt its whole system. Should I touch the water?
Well, it's really cold right now because you just got it out of the fridge.
It's still cold.
Yeah.
How long will it take to boil?
You might want to wait like 5 minutes and then turn that back on because it's going to take a while.
Mother, why is the dumb one trying to cook? Baby, look at yourself. What? The cutie pie? Go away. What should I name this pasta that I put in? Peppy?
Sure.
Pepper. Pepper the pasta. Maybe I should take pepper out. Ooh, I shouldn't dip my finger in, Mom. It's hot now.
Okay, it's getting ready to start boiling.
Oh my goodness, guys. We better dump it on a prison guard's head. If you are following Quandale Dingle's tutorial. Maybe we should, never mind. I had the idea, a really disturbing idea, but I'm going to pause the video, and I'm not actually considering it. My first sizzle, simmering. It's sizzling. Oh! This is really impressive. What are you making, Mom?
Porridge. I have this big urge for porridge today. So.
My mom has pregnancy cravings
I see not.
because she's pregnant.
Yeah, I just feel like porridge.
Hey baby, can you please feed me a scar?
No, no square.
Hi! So nice of her.
Oh, it will be about another 10 seconds before I add my pasta. Herpes zoster. Wait, what? My dad has a coexist sticker on his bumper. I'm just joking. My dad's not that cringe.
It's almost there. Really close.
Sorry, Pepper. Mom, I feel bad for Pepper.
Why?
Because he's getting boiled alive.
Well, they're all gonna get boiled alive in a minute. So.
Oh no, look out! Dracula? Wait, what? Dracula. Okay, werewolf.
It's at enough of a boil that you can do that. Make sure the cheese pack is out.
Okay, werewolf. I'll make sure to dump it all in with the cheese. Oh, some pasta was attached to the cheese pack and ended up on the...
You dump it in. And now you have to stir, but stir gently so it doesn't...
This is not on the
Why don't you
script.
sit it on the...
Oh, because it won't see. Actually, can I have a little ball? Alright. Where is the spoon that Mom had? That my mom's gonna claw. So, do it slowly.
Just gently. Just watch how it stirs so it doesn't splash over the
Is
side.
this gently?
Yeah, you can be a little more aggressive than that if you want.
Like this?
Yeah, you don't have to stir continuously, but you have to stir every once in a while until it comes back up to a good boil.
My dad drinks boiled, not boiling, but boiled water. No, that's my grandma. Well, is Grandma gonna try water from the tap one day? And she could get that protozoa again? My grandma's sensitive to this one type of protozoa that's in the water. Chemicals in the water. I don't like the putting chemicals in the water. I'm boiling frogs right now, guys. Alex Jones is very scared about the chemicals that are in the frogs that I'm gonna eat. Oh, it's boiling. It's hurting my hand now.
Okay, you don't have to keep stirring. You can turn it off for a bit. Now we only stir occasionally. I'm gonna do the down turn for you. I'll turn it down to medium.
Yeah.
And now you just let it cook, but you stir it every now and again. You don't have to keep...
Uh-oh, it's
now,
sliding
yeah,
in.
if you turn the spoon this way,
It won't.
well, sometimes it won't. No, that's too small of a spoon. Just sit it on
Oh,
the
my
side
mom
here.
flicked the boiling water in my face. Alright guys, there is a lot of steam coming out. Look at that marvelous wiggle. Look at this marvelous wiggle that I'm cooking up in here. This is like a marvelous wiggle. Oh, stir, 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 stir. I should stir it actually. I don't want it to burn, so I need to stir it. Oh my goodness, it's so hot, the steam. I need like a mitt or something. If it splashes up at me, I'm serious. It looks like beer. And how do I know what beer looks like? I've never drank beer, but it looks like my dad's beer when he has it in like a beer stein. Kids, if you're under 19 and you live in Canada, or under 18 in Quebec, or under 21 in the US, do not drink alcohol. Or it is not legal to. So the star of the show right now is me cooking. Oh, this is work I did earlier today. If you want a little spoiler on the schoolwork I did, I learned about long terms and stuff. Ooh, that's hot.
All you gotta do is.
Alright, so now that's nicely stirred, now we're just gonna wait a couple minutes or seconds. That's my cat making weird sounds. There's something oddly satisfying about this. No, Mom, that's my role. Alright, guys, I have to go help attend the pastas. Emergency alert. I need to attend the pasta. It's like frothy water. It's like tap water. It's like tap water, guys, but sweet. Guys, tap water tastes bitter. It tastes like chlorine, like pool. My doctor prescribed me Brita when I went to the doctor. They said I'm a very happy and healthy child and I have very healthy skin. But that could change anytime now with puppetry. We'll call it puppetry. No, growing up. Adolescence. Whatever you want to call it. Ah, that's actually hurting my hand. Just to stir. Hey, Mom. Do you think it's time to, like, add milk or something? My mom's gonna test the pasta to make sure I did well. Did I do well?
It looks pretty good. I'll see if it's cooked.
Am I a professional cooker?
It's ready.
It's ready?
So, yeah.
Turn off the heater?
Turn off the thing.
Okay.
You just have to turn it up to off.
Alright.
There you go.
There.
Alright, now. I'll do this part because this is tricky.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Right, so
Don't we have to add the cheese or something to another pot?
So, I'm just going to pour it back in. You can dissolve the cheese in milk and butter and then put the macaroni back in.
That was pretty good the time when we did that.
I'm just going to do it this way because I don't have anywhere to put them.
Look, Mom, this is actually pretty special, being allowed to boil and you're only 11. Alright guys, so I'm adding in milk. Is this all of the milk?
That's all the milk you get.
What?
That's all the milk you need.
That's not enough!
Yes, it is.
It's not floating.
Trust me, it's enough.
I don't trust my mom. No, I actually
Butter?
do. Yeah, I trust my mom with my life. My mom changed my diaper until I was 8. Even though I've been done with diapers and never worn one since I was 2.
Put that one in too.
Oh.
You can dump that one in.
Oh, got a bit of...
Right, and now you can stir that up a little bit.
Bring a bowl and a spoon for these waffles. No, I don't need a thing. That the Moonies version of waffles and pancakes will refer it to as its acronym. When you turn off the light, it's making it so you can't see what's happening. Right, so we're mixing the butter up. That actually looks pretty nice. Pretty beefy if you ask me. Green.
Okay, tell me when
Caprican
the butter's
Lily. What?
Tell me when the butter's almost melted.
Remy. Alright.
It's almost gone, or is it still?
I think it's melting. I'd assume that it's melting. It should be. I feel like this video's gonna be too long.
Well, you may have to edit it.
Well, you know what? People like watching people cook, so.
Okay.
Alright, so now I'm gonna dump in the cheese powder.
Now, hold on.
The cheese sauce.
Now sprinkle it over the top. Don't dump it all in one spot, or it'll
it's a
clump.
sprinkle.
Yeah, cover, like, try to spread it out as you pour it. Don't pour it all in one place.
Why isn't it not coming out?
You have to dump it.
Uh-oh.
There you go.
Oh, this looks so crappy.
It's okay. All right.
Crappy. Oh.
That's all right. It's okay. Just kind of.
Alright, I'm gonna like try and like sprinkle it like this.
Okay.
So
Is it all out?
No, far from all
Okay.
out.
Dump it over here. Then just dump it over there. There you go.
Oh! Mountain.
All right. Now you get to stir. Oops. There's still stuff in here. That's a lot of cheese stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need oh my goodness. How am I gonna mix this so there's no powder? I am really scared now about, I didn't expect the powder.
Well, if you want help, just let me know.
I didn't expect there to be this much is the issue. Oh, I need to make sure that that gets mixed so we don't just have Cheeto dust on top, which would be pretty swell, but actually I hate the unmixed. It's so weird textured, especially the texture. So Mommy's gonna help too. Alright, milk.
Okay, that's enough.
That's
Stir some more.
Bring a bowl and a spoon for
You have
these
to get down to
waffles,
the
so
bottom.
tasty.
Don't stir the top.
Crack the eggs and add milk. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh, I hate how much there still is that's unmixed. It's driving me
Yeah,
in.
but when you eat it, it's kind of fun because you get these little chunky cheesy bits.
I've never liked them. They take
No?
the texture or
I
the
like it.
flavor or something.
That's
like
always
that.
the
It's
best part, I
overpowering.
thought. But... Okay, that looks pretty good.
All right, so I can cook, apparently, allegedly.
Don't do me.
Breaking news, allegedly, I cooked. So a trial will now begin, because the pastas are my victims, and they're all gonna accuse me, and I will be canceled.
No, they're all in the pot cheering.
Yay! He can cook, and we don't hate him, because we're gonna be a part of him now. Woo! Mom's sample.
No, Mom.
What do you think about it?
Pretty good.
Woo! I can cook, I can cook, I can cook, I can cook.
Okay, let's go eat now.
Bring a bowl and a spoon. Oh. So guys, now I can cook independently. Unless my dad's around, because he hates watching anyone cook. This is some good tasting mac and cheese. Good thing I can make it now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you later. Might still be in the same video. God bless you.